Monday.com, the CRM platform that is simple to set up and easy to use, flexible and intuitive, customizable to fit your sales cycle. Easily tailor your CRM to work for you without any development help. Edit deal stages, add as many columns as you'd like, manage multiple pipelines at once, and more. Emails and activities, centralize client communication, communicate efficiently with your contacts by integrating your email. Automatically log sent emails, keep track of interactions, and use personalized email templates to save you time. Get the full picture. From every single deal to the entire overview. Get an instant overview of each deal with a single click, quickly access all the information you need to close deals. View contact details, understand deal progress, and what needs to be done next. Increase visibility with customizable dashboards, easily build dashboards in real time. With no development help. Gain insights into where deals stand, expected revenue, your team's performance, and more. Pre-sales to post-sales all in one place, lead management, deal management, account and contact management, post-sales management, sales operations. Collect leads from any source, centralize and qualify every lead in one place, and automatically score them based on custom criteria. Monday.com CRM has opened countless doors of opportunities that we never had before. Discover how efficient your CRM can be. Take your CRM to the next level with features that help you automate repetitive work, centralize customer communication, and organize your data in one place. Get closer to your customers. Easily centralize and track communication with your customers. Email sync. Fully sync your Gmail Outlook to send and receive emails or automatically log your sent emails all within Monday.com. Email tracking. Get notified automatically when a lead opens or replies to an email so that you can follow up at the right time. Email templates. Save time by sending personalized email templates that autofill based on contacts information. Activity management. Log any lead or contact-related activity like calls, meetings, notes, and more to always know where communication stands. Performance tracking made easy. Keep track of your pipelines, targets, and team performance. Dashboards. Increase visibility with custom dashboards that instantly report your deal progress, sales figures, and team performance. Sales forecasting. Set the deal value and close probability, then leverage reports to track forecast versus actual sales, and drill down forecast by month, sales rep, and more. Activity tracking. Access all your team's activities, like calls and meetings, in one place to track their performance, understand their capacity, and plan ahead. Team goals. Manage your team's quota attainment over time, track wins and view goals for specific members or the entire team. Organize your data in one place like a pro. Seamlessly connect all your new and existing data in one place. Import your data. Bring over all your existing leads, contacts, and accounts from Excel or through an API directly into Monday CRM. Merge duplicate data. Receive alerts when you enter a duplicate lead or account and eliminate overlaps by identifying and merging duplicate leads and contacts. Lead capturing. Capture leads by integrating with your existing tools, by adding a form to your website, or simply by adding them manually when you reach out. Win back time with no-code automations. Use or create your own automations to do the manual work that steals selling time. Manage your entire sales pipeline without switching tabs. Make business decisions with confidence. Monday.com is a collaborative management software that gives a visual overview of where things stand at a glance. Get a bird's eye view in a snap. Monday.com equips you with the tools to create custom dashboards and track progress, timelines and budgets at a glance. Easily run reports from a high-level overview down to very last detail. Collaborate smartly. Across teams, use data tools to smartly assign and prioritize tasks, share files, and see who is doing what anytime. Our customizable boards keep everyone synced and working towards the same goal. Discover how efficient your team can be with automations. Focus on what matters most with these code-free Monday.com automations. Status updates, email notifications, dependencies, due date alerts, assigned tasks, time tracking, progress updates, automated workflows, other. Stay up to date, instantly send emails when due dates arrive, and receive real-time updates when tasks are completed, so your team is always aligned. We increased our project capacity significantly in a few months thanks to the 40,000 plus human actions we save each month with automations. Save time with automations. Leave repetitive work behind. Avoid unnecessary meetings, lengthy email chains, and more by setting up customizable automations within minutes. Customize it your own way. Easily set up code-free automations to create the perfect workflow for every team. Seamlessly integrate all of your favorite tools. Continue working with your existing tools inside Monday.com. Sync due dates. With your Google Calendar, instantly share your Dropbox files with your entire team, and more. The Crm software to handle any workflow, easy setup and configuration. Fully customizable and scalable. Collaborate with all stakeholders. Integrates with your favorite tools. Set up in minutes. Use ready-to-use templates or create your own so your agile team can get started in a snap. Manage all communication and workflows in one place. Automate the grunt work. Automate the mundane tasks so your team can focus on the work that really makes an impact. Release quality products faster. With all communication and updates in one place, work better together to push the product forward. Stay on top of your workflow. Use dashboards to easily track iterations and backlogs to see where your team stands against each milestone. Integrate your existing software development tools. Automatically bring your data from multiple tools into Monday.com. To finally have all your teams work in one place. Gain insights from real-time dashboards. Display data in ways that are easy to digest and understand. Feel confident making key decisions based on concrete data every time. Collaborate across teams and with external stakeholders. Work together with everyone involved with an easy-to-use platform that syncs changes in real time. Why teams love Monday.com. If your non-dev team struggles with Jira because it's the least intuitive thing ever, I beg you to check out Monday.com. Monday.com is very easy to implement. They don't clutter the screen with everything. You can add features as you need them. Manage your team's files. In one collaborative space, easily organize and share files, finalize assets faster, and build seamless, efficient workflows. Live annotations, speed up edits and approvals, collaborate and communicate directly on your files to shorten feedback loops. Avoid the back and forth with transparent status updates and smart notifications. Stay updated on the latest version. Eliminate those messy doc18 final final files. Organize every iteration of a file in a coherent timeline, adding versions as you work and spotting the current version at a glance. Work directly from the tools you use, review briefs, update your status, and upload new assets without leaving your editing apps. Connect with your must-have Adobe Creative Cloud apps like Photoshop, InDesign, Acrobat DC, and more. Access the file you need, fast, store, organize, and manage your team's assets on one centralized platform, and instantly find what you need. Upload files of any format from your computer, Google Drive, Dropbox, Box, or OneDrive. Tailored workflows. Visualize files in the context of your work. Create project workflows with clear due dates, dependencies, and automations. See your files in whatever context you want, detailed cards, a visualized grid, or a full project view. Control who gets access. Set permissions to make sure only the right people see and edit files, whether stakeholders, freelancers, or clients. Store your data confidently on a platform that's aligned with the strictest security measures.